Far right side bunker, far right side bunker.
Watch out, crossing. I'll watch.
Guy off the far right side bunker, far right side bunker. Alright, don't all follow the road, go through, walk through. Not gonna kill you. Red. You're blind fire and watch it.
Is that guy hit?
Yeah.
He's in.
Oh.
Medic!
Come on, let's go.
Alan, I will take him. Walk him up. Dry. You hit?
Got him.
Hang on down.
Woo! Guy just missed me.
Watch out.
We got a guy moving.
Hey, watch out. Hey. Right there. Got that bunker.
Oh, hit. I'm going.
That kid sucks. I saw him the whole way. He didn't even hit me. Loading. Up.
That kid's will not close hits.
The kid in the red?
Yeah.
Red t-shirt? I know. Right inside there.
Scan my left.
Chris, keep your head back.
Hey, medic. Hold on there.
Hey, over there. Oh crap, luckily they missed me. I got one. I got both of them then.
Get down.
Oh crap, where's that coming from?
Right in that door.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Okay, no guts, no glory, right?
I got him. I hit a bead right on him.
One, go.
Hey, get.
We need a smoke grenade in that trail over there.
We do?
Yeah.
You want to go throw it?
Yeah. No.
Here.
Run over the floor.
Oh.
All right, we're coming to you. Chris, coming. Let's go these brushes. Reloading. Up, let's go. Okay.
Ooh. Okay.
Why am I?
Chris.
Yo.
Yeah. Got the ghillie suit. Did you see him even hiding there?
No.
Yeah, he was laying there. I saw his orange tip.
I think there's a guy around this corner here. They're still moving down there. We killed a few of them. So, got guys in that bar building. So I'm gonna move up. So just watch their ass.
Okay. Yeah.
Get him?
No.
Are you kidding me? Thank you. That's alright. I just don't want to go auto on you. That's all.
Luckily he missed us.
Yeah, I didn't think you guys were that good. I thought it was friendly. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Vlad, watch out. I just saw one go over there to the left or right. No, they're running that way. 2 of them died, but 1 of them is still alive.
Move slow. Move up. Moving up the line.
There's no way we missed them.
Yeah. Chase them out of here. Chase them out. You're down.
Emil, you got point.
Yeah.
He's here. All right. We're good. We're all together. Watch out, cut off.
1 second, wait till the check clears the line.
Yeah, wait until they pass through. All right.
Hey, you're dead. You can't talk.
Emil, go full auto.
I know.
I got a second.
Allie, drop to the back.
Drop the back, I got one. Spun up right here. I know there's a bridge. Right up. I want to see what's happening. I want to explore. Okay, we're gonna take that bridge. We're gonna go to Dorian. I'm gonna be running Dorian's ass. Beckley, you're gonna be at that H bunker. Mark, you're gonna swoop left. Okay. Alright. Wait, hold on. There's a bridge right there, isn't there?
We're coming. Don't worry. We're coming. You coming?
Yeah, bridge right here. Let's
Yeah, bridge right here.
Let's go.
We got a red in the outpost. In outpost 1, there's a red.
Let's go. 1, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Push. Watch out.
Hey, it's a grenade! Back off!
Get back. Go, we're good. Go, it's a dead. It's a dummy. Go.
It's a dummy? Okay.
Right in there. Bam! Got you, Up here, we're going across right now.
Ready? I'm ready.
Hey, 3, hey, 4, 2, pistols in front. 1, 2 pistols in front. Let's go. Move.
Go.
Get in that kill house.
Go.
Bang.
No, you're not hit. You're still in. You lit him. Dude, that dude lit him up with an AED. Joking. I shot him in the air.
Keep moving. Bang,
Shit, are you dead? Where's the medic?
I need some guys.
Fuck, the medic's out?
Oh my god, what?
Alright, so that's...
Just start walking, dude.
Yeah.
Mark, start walking.
Medic's down, medic's down.
Gotta be more careful now. No more suicide missions.
My name is the Lord.